right? We got overtaxation, right? And it's not allowing companies to be able to create jobs because they have to pay too much in taxes. Small businesses are now being forced to have to purchase health care for their employees. And so either they can go out of business and lay people off, or they can keep those employees so they have their jobs, but they have to give them health care.
Ready to go! Ready to go! Ready to go! Ready to go!
What about me? I pay health care, and out of my health care payment, there's a certain percentage goes for unfunded people who don't have health care. So should I be paying? You break your leg, you don't have health care? Should I be paying for that?
Ready to go! Ready to go! Ready to go! Ready to go!
So just to go out there and let people know why I should be down there. Somebody who's going to be working with the people of Massachusetts for, you know, in that independent way versus somebody who has a history of not doing so. I think it's very...
Ready to go! Ready to go! Ready to go! Ready to go! Ready to go!
Benefits, no health care.
That's what the job is worth.
Oh,
That's
right.
what I'm trying to
So that individual somehow is less.
No,
And shouldn't be able to provide for his family. Shouldn't be able to have a pension. Shouldn't be able to. But the free market would dictate that. So that's a good.
So what is that job worth?
Whose side do you stand on? When Senator Brown doesn't have an answer on why he voted against jobs bills, he doesn't have an answer on why he says it's okay for billionaires to pay lower tax rates than their secretaries. You know, he's out there too often, working for the millionaires, working for the billionaires, working for big oil.